I bought this farmhouse about a year ago, and the one thing about farmhouses that I don't like is they're super square and boxy. So to add a little bit more curb appeal to it, I think I'm gonna put shutters on all these windows. I think that should add a little bit more character to it. It's one of those things where when you drive by, if they're not there, you don't really notice, but when they are there, you're like, something looks better about that house compared to the one next to it. So today I'm gonna show you how to make some really simple shutters for cheap. So let's get started. Alright, I have 12 windows that I have to do. 3 of them are really big, 3 of them are small, and then 6 that I'm going to call my standard size. And those ones are 64 inches by about 2 foot. So the shutters, I'm going to make 2 shutters for those, 1 on each side obviously, and they're going to be 1 foot by 64. And so I have to make 12 of those. And then the big windows, I'm not going to quite split it in half like I did the other one, so they'll probably be right around like 1.5 foot for each side, and then the 64. And then the small windows are 2 foot, and then they're shorter. They're like 50 inches tall, and so I'm gonna make 1 foot by 50 inches for those two. I mean, I have to make 24 shutters, so it's not a lot of craftsmanship. It's a lot of cutting and just time. I'm gonna bust these out and then put them on my house and see what it looks like. First set of windows are painted and ready to go up. These will just be enough to fit on the front of the house. I only have 3 windows on the front. I mainly want to put them up to make sure I like the way they look and they fit right before I make all the other ones. All I'm going to do to secure it up there is take 2 of the screws out and then just screw it directly into the side of the house. These are mainly just for appearance, so structurally 2 screws should be enough to hold it. They're not going to, there's not going to be a whole lot of wear on them. If you want them to actually work, put some hinges on them to make them actually close. I don't really see any point of that, especially on the top of the house. I'm never going to close them. First set's done, so let's go put them up on the house. All right, all the upstairs windows, they fit and they look good. So I went ahead and finished the other ones, painted them, got them ready to go. They're ready to put up. So let's see if we can get them all put up in under 30 seconds. And go. So this side's done. Let's do the front. So, what do you guys think? Oh crap. There we go. I think they look pretty good. There we go, all done. My wife loves them. She thinks they look great. They were not that hard to make. If you go online, you find shutters just in general, they're 25 to 80 bucks a piece. These I built for, I think with the screws and the paint and everything, they were probably 10 bucks a piece. If you're looking to save some money, but you want to add some curb appeal to your house, these are really easy shutters to build and put up. There's not much to them. If you like the video, show me a thumbs up. I put out videos every week. If you could, subscribe. I could really use the support. For now, I'm Lane from Maker's Lane. You guys have a good one. Almost forgot. Drone shot.